This is the Arri 16S. The cover is off. You can see inside the compartment. Right now it's being powered by an old Cine-60 power belt, battery pack belt. 10.5 volts. I believe the motor is 10.5 volts as well. I'm going to press the mechanism that hooks up to the trigger to start it to show you. That would be forward, so you can shoot the film forward. You can also adjust the speed, which I will try to do. That's a little faster. So it's a variable speed motor. And you can also change the direction if you need to, which is very handy. As well. And I'll put the cover on. O for obviously open, C for closed. And this is the trigger here. And this is what turns it off.